Binary trading is like making a simple bet. You predict if something will go up or down. Let's say you think the price of gold will be higher in 1 hour. You buy a call option. If you're right and gold is up after an hour, you win. You get your money back plus a profit. If gold goes down, you lose the money you put in. It's called binary because there are only 2 outcomes. You win or you lose. No complicated charts or confusing numbers. Binary trading is very popular, especially among new traders. Why? Because it's easy to understand and you know exactly how much you can win or lose on each trade. Many people find binary trading attractive for a few reasons. Firstly, it's simple. Unlike traditional trading where profits and losses can be unlimited, binary trading has a fixed risk and reward. You know the maximum amount you can gain or lose before placing a trade. Secondly, you don't need to own any assets. In traditional trading, you buy and sell stocks, commodities, or currencies. In binary trading, you just predict price movements. This makes binary trading accessible to everyone, even with a small budget. It's an easy way to dip your toes into the financial markets without needing a lot of money or experience. However, it's important to remember that binary trading still carries risk. You can lose money, especially if you don't trade carefully. One easy strategy for beginners is trend following. This means you trade in the same direction as the current price trend. Here's how it works. First, identify the trend. Is the price of your chosen asset generally going up, which is called an uptrend, or down, which is a downtrend? Look at the chart for the past few hours or days. Next, confirm the trend. Look for higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend or lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend. Then, enter the trade. If the trend is up, buy a call option when the price dips slightly. If the trend is down, buy a put option when the price rises slightly. After that, set your expiry time. Choose a time frame for your prediction, like 15 minutes or 1 hour. This strategy is simple but effective. By following the trend, you increase your chances of making a correct prediction.